Good evening, this is Jatinder Singh Narula. Today I am near Hyderabad at a stone quarry. You can see this is a very huge stone quarry where through the blasting process rocks are loosened and these big boulders are then further broken into smaller pieces by our JCB 205 excavator fitted with a hammer, which you can in the far distance. Once these boulders have been broken, these are loaded onto dumper trucks by the JCB NXT series 205 tracked excavator, which is there in the background. The average time of loading this dumper is 5 minutes and more than 17 buckets can be loaded onto the truck. So you can see the bucket being all the material being deposited in the dumper.